Hi, I'm Carolyn, and I'm giving a workshop on diminishing the nasolabial fold lines, lifting the bottom of the face, and eradicating the double chin on Saturday, February 1st at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's $72 for the workshop, and you will receive instruction. I'll make sure that your handholds and your technique are perfect, but you also will get these two videos worth $38. The first one will be instruction on this workout, and the second one will be just a follow along with me video for the workout so you can do it in the 12 minutes that it's designed to do. And there'll be a question and answer period at the end for 15 minutes, so you can ask me anything you want. And for those of you who want to know, I'm 78 years old, and go ahead, click the link below, and it will take you to the registration page, and you can just sign up, and you'll receive a link for the Zoom for Saturday, as I said, February 1st at 11 Pacific Standard Time. Hope to see you there.